Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I made my catfish pepper soup for the holidays. So this is my already washed catfish. Then I'm going to be pouring hot water just to clean it some more and just to remove the sliminess in the fish as well. And also sometimes it foams the fish so it doesn't break when I cook the fish. To do is I'm going to wash it and put it in the pot. So the other reason why I put the hot water is just for me to mold the fish to make it firm so it doesn't break when I'm cooking it. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I do. The next thing is I'm going to blend my peppers. So I have a little bit of red bell pepper, I have habanero pepper, I have onions, I have garlic, and I have ginger. So I'm going to blend everything together now. Alright, so once I'm done blending my pepper, I'm going to transfer my pepper into the pot where I have my fish. So that's where I'm transferring that, as you can see. So I'm going to also add some dry catfish as well. I have some leftover at home. I already washed them. So I'm just going to add that to it, and you can see that it's in. Then I'm going to do is I already have a pepper soup mix, so I'm going to be using this pepper soup mix. I'm going to add some to it. Then I'm going to add some salt as well for taste. Add this, and I'm just going to add that to it and let it cook. And then I've added some water, and I'm going to turn the fire on. Alright, add a little bit of crayfish just for taste as well, and then I'm going to cover it up to cook for a few minutes. See, it's almost done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of vegetables. This is spinach. You can use any kind of vegetables you want, or you can use a scent leaf, you can use kale. But I'm just going to add spinach a little bit just because I love vegetables to it.
Me too.
Oh, me, please.
It smells good, but I want to eat it because I don't like pepper soup.
Alright, move back. So now my pepper soup is ready to be served. So let's see what's inside. See how yummy this looks. So let's dish something out. I don't want it to break, so I'm just going to be careful. Go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and also comment. Thank you so much, and see you next time.